Yes, hello, my name is Lars-Åke Mattsson. I'm going to cut some ducts here, and to my help I have the new Vent Tools app. I'm going to use two bends to connect these two ducts that has different elevations. And in order to measure the difference in elevation, I can use any kind of straight thing that you have and measure the difference in elevation. Now it's 305 millimeters. I will go to my Vent Tools app. I choose the offset bend. I choose center line offset 305 millimeters. I have a product called BU 45 degrees. And then it shows me that I should cut this duct 299 millimeters. So let's do that. Let's cut the duct, adjust the length, 299 millimeters. (299 millimeters). Let's take away the lids. On the duct. Perfect.